Hi, this is Mel. Behind me is the Sacagawea Portable Hybrid Display System, one of our most popular and affordable display systems. This one is a modified VK1234. The 20-foot version is a VK2114. I hesitate just for a second to use the word affordable, not because of price, but because of what that word sometimes connotates to people. But designing an affordable system really requires smart engineering, creativity, and careful craftsmanship. In some ways, it's much harder than designing a more expensive system. The Sacagawea has 7 qualities that reflects all of those elements, and we're going to go over each one in turn. Number 1. The heart of any hybrid system is the aluminum extrusion framing that goes around it. It should be no surprise to you that there are good extrusions out there, and there are some that are not so good. We use module engineered aluminum extrusion, and here's why we use module. It is the strongest extrusion system, bar none, out on the market. And the module system takes the module lock. The module lock is a flawless lock. It never fails, and it's an easy lock to operate on any given system. Next, the module extrusion is clear anodized. Now, why is clear anodizing important? Because anodizing resists scratches, meaning that the extrusion will last and will look new with careful use for years and years. Number 2, graphics. The Sacagawea incorporates a number of graphic features. The first one, and the most visible, is a large format tension fabric graphic on the back wall. That graphic is attached with Velcro. In addition, there are standoff graphics. There's also header graphics that are not shown on this particular unit. Many people actually extend the graphics into the wings. This one is not shown with that because it has the protective film, and it's actually for a client, and it's being shipped out today. And then you can also place graphics on the counters that accompany it. Number 3, base plates. Now, base plates may seem like not a very sexy topic, but most base plates that are out there in the market are in one of 2 shapes. They're in an oval or they're in a rectangle, and they're just solid pieces that are sitting down on the bottom. We believe base plates should serve more than that. They should be part of the design itself. And we design our base plates, A, to be attractive, 2, to be lightweight, and the base plates are made out of aluminum, 3, to be durable. They are all powder coated, and the last is you should be able to carry the base plates around easily, and so we incorporate handholds into them. Number 4. A portable hybrid system is just a portable hybrid system if it doesn't have a full range of accessories. And Sacagawea has a full range of accessories, so let's talk about some of those. One of the most popular of those accessories is the counter option, and there are many counters that you can choose to go with Sacagawea. The workstation along the back wall, along with the monitor mount. You can also add an iPad in a lockable clamshell, and a brochure holder or multiple brochure holders. And the most recent accessory that we've added is actually a hostess shelf. And that hostess shelf is a great place to put your coffee in the morning when you're not really supposed to have the coffee in the booth, but it's a good way to keep it out of the way. Number 5, canopies. Some of the Sacagaweas feature canopies, as you see in this particular unit. There are 3 different canopies. There is a flat, an arch, and a serpentine. Now, the great thing about the Sacagawea canopies is that the structure is made with an 1.25" aluminum with push-button connectors, so it's very, very easy to assemble. The second feature that you won't find out there very often is this is actually wrapped in tension fabric, which means that you have the choice of over 50 colors that you can wrap the canopy in, or if you're really creative, you can actually design a graphic that goes on the canopy that enhances your branding. Number 6, assembly. The Sacagawea Portable Hybrid System is considered a knob-assisted assembly. So what does that mean? It means that most of the connections are accomplished through attached knobs. And there are 3 types of knobs. The first one is a T-knob for the verticals, and that's a friction fit knob. There is a star knob that actually attaches to the verticals, and it activates the module lock. And then there is a knob to attach the wings. Each one of the components are individually numbered, and those numbered components correspond to personalized setup instructions. And you can see examples of these personalized setup instructions in the Sacagawea gallery. Number 7, packaging. Packaging is one of those elements that's often overlooked, but for us, packaging may be the most important component within the Sacagawea system. Every single piece within the Sacagawea system has a specific spot in the reusable die-cut foam packaging. There's no doubt where every piece goes. All the pieces go back in the case at the end, and we include within your setup instructions packaging instructions so you know where all the pieces go and what layers those pieces go, because that's just as important as where they fit within the die-cut foam packaging. Lastly, all of those pieces go in a high-impact rotomolded case with wheels, with straps that is both UPS and FedEx shippable. I know I promised you 7 tips, but I'm actually going to give you one more bonus tip. Most of the counters you see out on the market have support legs for those back wall workstations, just a straight leg. Now the problem with that straight leg is twofold. One, they're not very attractive, and two, there's a fundamental problem as you put more and more weight on a back counter. As you put monitors and weight on a back counter, the display wants to tilt forward just a little bit. Well, we've solved that problem. One, what we've done is we've designed a more attractive leg that has curves, that's not just a straight leg. The other is this portion of the leg is detachable, and you can slide it down the length of this particular channel, so that allows you to adjust where that back leg fits, so you can support the weight of that counter depending on how much you have there. I hope you have a better understanding of portable hybrid systems, and that it's clear to you now that all portable hybrid systems are not created equal. If you have any questions, please give us a call, or go to Exhibit Design Search for more details about the Sacagawea Portable Hybrid Display.